Okay, students, here comes your next tutorial. So we have made a 2024-2025 folder, and inside of that folder we have core academic class folders. So in your screenshot activity, you took a screenshot. I took a screenshot of my favorite movie, which is Raiders of the Lost Ark. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put that picture into a Google document. And for this activity, we are going to go into our math folder, which you should have shared with Mr. Kurtz. And we are going to create a Google Doc, which is simple to do. You go to the New button, and then you select Google Docs. And it says, do you want to put this in the shared folder? And of course I want to do that, because I want Mr. Kurtz to be able to see it. You will receive a new tab that opens up in your Chrome browser, and you have it as an untitled document. So first thing we want to do is click up here, and we want to rename that screenshot. So make sure that you do that. Just click right here and you can type where it says screenshot. And I'm sure you guys have all worked in Google Docs before, and if you haven't, well, you will be doing that this year, and we'll learn that as we go forward. But first thing we're going to learn is how do I put a picture inside of a Google Doc? Not something you're going to do very often, but for the activity that you're doing now, we are going to do that. So we're going to come up here to the top where our toolbar is, and we're going to select Insert, and we're going to select Image, and since that screenshot is on your computer, we're going to select Upload from Computer. Now I'm using my MacBook, which is a little different than yours, but you're going to go into your Picture folder and into your Screenshots folder, and you're going to find that screenshot, you're going to double click on it, and you're going to put it right there in that Google document, and there it is, nice and easy. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're going to submit this to the activity in Jupyter. And you're going to do it in two different ways. So the tutorial video is going to show you both ways to do it. One is to select the Google Drive icon. The other is to get a shareable link. Okay? So it's really important that you follow that tutorial in those directions. So good luck. Can't wait to see your work in Jupyter.